Hey everybody, Augie at Switchback Trading. Just want to go through another model. Beautiful, beautiful setup here. Get my marker tool. Price made a high and marker. Get my marker tool. Price made a high, right? And this band here, you know, that's resistance. Okay, so made a high, and then you just let it do its thing. Just let it make it move. As it's dropping, you put the fibs on it, okay, and you just keep pulling it down. All right, so it's so simple. Market made a move, okay, and then it's like going sideways, and then okay. If you don't want to go short and just wait for the model setup, you just keep pulling it down until it's like, hey, it hit this support band. Okay, look at that. It has a massive wick. Perfect. I'm not using the wick, I'm using the body, so I drag the fib to the body. Okay, there's our levels. And then you wait. What happens here? Punches through, doesn't close above the EMA. Right? Oh, Jesus, I don't want to do that. Oh, good God. Okay, just hold on 1 minute. Okay. There you go. Now you can see. Everybody can see? I can see now. Right. Doesn't close above. Just wicks above. Okay. So you're not in. You're not in yet. But this line here, that's your entry. Okay, that is your entry. So you would put a limit order 431.25. And this is what you want. Right here. Okay, look at that. Close above. Boom. Anywhere in here is your buy signal. Okay, so it did like a little fake out, came back down. Normally it'll go past the low and stop out all those people that jumped in too soon. Okay, it didn't this time, funny enough. But yeah, it hit this this green level is the New York close. So right now it's bouncing off the New York close. It's closing above the EMA, closing above the 25. That's a trifector. Okay, screaming long. Go long. Your TP1 is at the 50% retracement. Right? Okay. Boom. Hits that. Okay. Your TP2 waiting at the 75% retracement. Boom. Smashes that. Right? Lovely. TP3, man, I wish I wasn't at the charts for this trade. TP3 gets smashed. Boom. And you know what that green line is? That's the another close of the New York session. Okay, so boom, hits that. If you had a runner, a fourth, that would have been the fourth exit. But I mean, man, what a move. You know what I mean? That just the switchback trading model, the SBT, man, bread and butter. You know, how many points is that? Gone in at 31. 31, out at 47. 16-point scalp. This is a 5-second chart. Would have got in at 313. Out at, Jesus, that's 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 13 points. Bread and butter. Okay, so that's the model. If you don't know it yet, I don't know what to say. It's so simple, but it's highly profitable. It's got a high win rate, and it's specific. You know, it's my bread and butter. SBT, baby. Okay, guys. Later to the next one. Blah, blah, blah.